Hello, today is ED channel Samsung CD notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. No, Galaxy S3. Yeah, so let me go.
Here are some of the device notification sounds for the Samsung Galaxy S3.
No.
So we can go here to
Just already 2012. No, 2013.
And we can play around with a few of them. Of course, silent, and then bubbles.
Bubbles.
Charming bell.
Charming bell.
Chirps.
Chirps.
Dewdrops.
Dewdrops.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Good news.
Good news.
Harmonics.
Harmonics.
Join hangout.
Join hangout.
Knock.
Knock.
On time.
On time.
Opener.
Opener.
Postman.
Postman.
Pure bell.
Pure bell.
Temple bell.
Temple bell.
Tickety tock.
Tickety tock.
And whistle.
And whistle. Yes.
Very nice.
Next one is Samsung Galaxy Note S3 CD notification sound. That's it.